Hello guys, once again welcome to the channel Rahul Automation Studio. So hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain you how you can maximize and minimize your window. Guys, you must have seen that you can maximize the window and you have seen the code for maximizing a Selenium. But today I'm going to show you that how you can minimize your browser window as well. So you can do the minimize also and maximize also, and it can be useful in your test case somewhere we need to minimize the windows if we are working on multiple windows. So in that case it is a useful that you can use to minimize your browser window. So how you can do it? So this is a code that where we are launching a Chrome browser. So I'm going to show you on the Chrome browser. So after launching a Chrome browser, what we are doing, we will be just maximizing our browser. So how you can do the maximize? There is a command that is driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. So first we will be checking with the maximize window, because once the Chrome browser will open, it will be open in a minimize mode, right? So firstly we are doing it as a maximize, and after doing the maximize we will be navigating to one URL. So we are going to navigate one automation practice URL. So how you can navigate to a website? So you can navigate to the website with the help of a get method. So in the get method, we are just opening this URL. Okay, guys. So this URL will get open in a maximized size window. Okay, guys. So let's see first this one. So it should the maximize, and after maximize, it should open this URL for you. So Chrome browser starting successfully. See, browser window has been maximized, and this automation practice.com URL is catching open in your browser, right? So this is about the maximize. So in the same way, how you can do the minimize of this window? Minimize means to say you have to do it like restore down. So how you can do the restore down? You can do the restore down also, guys. So how you can do? So the method you have to use for the minimize is driver dot manage dot window dot minimize. Minimize is the method that you have to use for the minimize, and we will be trying one operation also. Okay, guys. After doing the minimization of the window, so we will be doing some driver dot find element by. So we will be trying to click on t-shirts page. Now you can see this is a mobile view, guys. So let's again go to this. This is a tablet view, and click on this. So this t-shirt is there. This is an anchor tag, right, guys? So whose text is equal to the t-shirt. One, two, one, two. So you have to consider the second one. So you have to give as index as true. So now I am control A, copy. So by dot x path, right? Like this. So what we are going to do the operation, we are going to click on it. Just close this browser. Okay, guys. Now we will be trying. So in this, what we are doing, we are opening a Chrome browser. After that, we are doing the maximize of a browser. We are opening this automation practice.url. After that, we are doing minimize. And in the minimize window, it should click on the t-shirt page, and the t-shirt page should get open for you. So let's see, guys. Let's try to run it. So basically, minimize is the restore down. Okay, guys. So in that way, you can change your desktop view to the tablet view as well. And you can start running your test case in a tablet view. So browser has been maximized. It has opened this automation practice URL. And after that, we have given a command for the minimization. See guys, it has minimized and it should be restore down. See, I have not done minimize. So it is automatically by the command and it has done restore down and it has clicked on the t-shirt page. So our t-shirt page has been opened. T-shirt page has been opened, guys. So this is the coin, our test case has been completed. So minimize is the command by which you can do the restore down of your browser and you can do it minimize and you can start running your test case like in a tablet view as well. So thanks guys, I just wanted to explain these two commands, and in my coming videos I will be explaining more concepts about the Selenium. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks to everyone. Bye.